Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redirect to a custom thank you page in Mailchimp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start, open your browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Then log into your account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, choose the audience you're targeting for this campaign. With your audience selected, find the Click on Forms button and then simply click on the Other Forms option below this, and you will be taken to this page. From the available form options, choose Form Builder. Scroll until you see the Form Builder tile and click Manage Forms to open the main editing hub. Inside the Form Builder, locate the section labeled Forms and Response Emails, and from the drop-down select Confirmation Thank You page, which is the page shown right after subscribers confirm their subscription. Now you'll see a field that says, instead of showing this thank you page, send subscribers to another URL. This is where you'll paste the link to your custom thank you page. After entering your custom URL, click the Save button to apply the changes. Once saved, Mailchimp will automatically redirect your new subscribers to your custom page right after confirmation. And that's it. So that is how you can redirect to a custom thank you page in Mailchimp. So that's all for this video. Thanks.